Okay, so Ted and I are going on a little hike to Eagle Falls, and I don't know if we're going to Upper Falls, but we're definitely going to Lower Falls, and it's gonna be fun, and you get to come with us. And the lots are already full, and the outside parking is full.
It's not full out there.
Well, we need to go find street parking, and that's not easy. So we found a place to park on the street, just a little ways up from the trailhead area, and I'm pretty sure it's not illegal. Hopefully. Anyway, Ted's back there. So yeah, I think we're gonna go do Eagle Falls Upper first, and then we're gonna go and do Eagle Falls Lower. So here we go. Yeah, you want to go left. So this is a super easy trail. There's just a little bit of up. I don't even think it's a quarter mile. People are out here hiking with their Starbucks and in skirts and sandals, so it's a great little hike for anybody. Toddlers, old people, everybody. Just a little bit of up. Whoop. There's Ted. How you doing, Ted? Where are you? Okay, Ted, what did that take? 10 minutes? It's a 10-minute walk, but here we are. How high we are, 6,600. Okay, so that was Eagle Falls, the Upper Falls. There's actually a little loop that you can do around and down again so that you don't retrace your steps. But because Ted is not a fan of hiking, we're just gonna take the short route back the way we came, and then we're gonna cross the street and go to the Lower Falls. Beyond the bridge there is a really incredible day hike to Eagle Lake. I don't know if you could make it all the way now because of the snow. I think the snow is at about 7,500 feet. So I think pretty quickly you're gonna run into snow. But we'll do that one another time. It's not that hard, and it's a beautiful mountain lake. So this trailhead does have pit toilets, and they're usually pretty clean. Yeah, actually, these are pretty stinky. Okay, so now we're gonna cross the street and try to find this Eagle Falls lower trail, which I don't think I've been on or haven't been on for years. So let's find it. All right, well, I think it's right by the road. Check it out, Ted found the trail. Woohoo! There's our cutie. So there's a trail that goes all the way down Eagle Falls to Vikings Home. It's steeper than the trail I took with Sydney in the other video, but it's more of a trail and less of a road. And it starts on this other side of the bridge. So the side of the bridge where South Lake Tahoe is the side of the bridge where the trail is. We're not gonna do it because Ted, like I said, is not a fan of hiking. So we're just gonna call it a day and go get breakfast. This is the trail. Let me just go down a little bit.
No,
come on. No, just a little bit.
Don't do this to me.
YouTube wants to go down there.
No.
Please.
We've
We're
done
not going to
the
get a
agreed-upon
ticket.
Contract. No,
We're not going to get a ticket.
well, I don't care.
Don't worry. Oh, but it's calling. It's a trail. Really? You don't want to see the other side of the waterfall?